Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine and getting into BIOS now. First, confirm your PC uses an integrated GPU and that shared memory is configurable. This matters because discrete GPUs ignore this setting. Once confirmed, back up current BIOS settings and write down the existing shared memory value so you can revert if needed. Reboot and enter BIOS using the correct key for your motherboard. Do this immediately because the changes you make next require BIOS-level access. You now locate the Integrated Graphics or UMA section inside BIOS and change the shared memory allocation. Look for entries labeled Integrated Graphics, Video Memory, or UMA Frame Buffer. Once found, switch from auto to manual to set a specific megabyte value. Increase in moderate steps, for example, add 256 MB at a time, because too large a grab reduces system RAM. Once done, save settings using Save and Exit, then let the system boot so you can verify the new allocation in the OS. You finish by verifying the change inside your operating system. Open Device Manager or System Information to confirm the new shared memory value is active. If performance regresses, revert to the backed-up BIOS setting or reduce the allocation slightly, because excessive shared memory steals RAM. If changes did not apply at all, update BIOS firmware and GPU drivers and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: reset BIOS to defaults only as a last resort. Since that erases your saved baseline, keep that backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.